Hey everybody, it's a Sunday afternoon. Wanted to come out while it was quiet. The guys have been working really hard in the showroom, and I wanted to get out and kind of see some of the updates and let you take a look. Been a lot going on, you know, like everybody. When you go through construction, the quality of your contractor makes a big difference. We had to make a change. Unfortunately, it slowed us down quite a bit, but we got the right one now, and these guys are cooking with gas. It's been great to see. Here in our vestibule, our entry, you see our big pivot door behind me here. This is a big pivot door from Western. We also have over my shoulder the pass-through window that I'll do a separate demonstration on. And then behind the plastic right now over here, a bifold window pass-through as well. And then we're anchored by the ProVia doors on the side that you can see. But you see the big pivot door behind me, and then the ProVia entry doors with the iron sidelights. Really great look. And then as we come in, you're going to get a look of where the new entry desk is going to be, and behind that is some legacy steel doors from ProVia, and that in our color, so it's really good. Now you see all the staining of the soffit and the baseboards. That was all done this past week. We'll be painting the cedar siding and walls here soon. Flooring, most of the flooring is done just underneath the protective board here called Ram board. It's a cardboard product that protects the surface while we're working on it, so you don't get the full effect there. But you can see everything behind in the lab. You can also see how we've gotten all our framing done here. This is where all of our window displays will go in those units. And so we're really excited about what that's going to mean for us. 36 different windows, in addition to some that we already have built in. You see the bay window of my office, and that's the Era series from ProVia. And that one, we'll have lots of brands represented, so all very exciting. The doors will be on this side. We've got all the steel cut for the doors to be mounted, both slabs and full operational doors. So then coming in here to the lab, as you look over my shoulder, you'll see a window wall from ProVia with casement, a couple of awnings. Really excited about how we're going to finish that with a really nice view on the other side of that window. And then on the back side of that wall is where eventually our interior doors and closets will be. So, but this area, the lab, just waiting on the millwork to get done for the cabinetry, which could be as soon as a week from now. And then tile and wallpaper will be going up. Like I said, final touches on painting and trim. So making a lot of progress. You see over my shoulder here, the conference room for our guests. So definitely something we're excited about. Everybody being able to come in and take advantage of that. So as I move down this hallway, I'm going to turn on the lights. And there they are. Let everybody get a peek into what's going to be our office area. This will be a common workspace here behind me. Then down this hall, you see our offices. Again, going back out towards the front, more offices. And this will be our employee conference room. The scaffolding, you see, the guys have been really busy getting our ceilings in, and I'll turn the camera up so you can look above me. Drop ceilings, and that includes sprinklers and lights. So they've been working hard to get all that done. Definitely appreciate their efforts and their work. But my office and then these offices here, let you look over my shoulder. I know it's a little dark in here right now, but you can see some of the tapestry we have for the backdrops of our walls. Those will get hung here in the next week, and that'll also help a little bit with sound. And then show a couple more things to you quickly, and then we'll call it a day. But here, again, this is our back room right now. We're using it for our staging area, a lot of storage. You can see a lot of furniture that we already have ready to be put in as soon as we get our COO, Certificate of Occupancy, which we hope will be fairly soon. And then down this hall, we have both our ADA restroom, and then further down the hall, our other restrooms. They're getting their finished touches here now. Just yesterday, they were putting in brick mold and wainscot and the crown molding. So those are getting done. And then the last thing that I'll show you is where our lounge is going to be. Definitely excited about the lounge. And that's here. You can see in the back where the plumbing will be for the cabinetry, for dishwasher and ice maker and all those fun things. CAV's been in to set up the AV. We've got some great AV units coming in, and so we're already wired it up, have our Wi-Fi set, and there's one of the places that will have that display, as well as here in the lounge. We'll have a 75-inch screen in here for the dads who want to come watch football on a Saturday. They don't want to be window shopping, so they come and they can sit down and watch the football game. But anyway, listen, hope everybody's having a great day. We're really looking forward to being able to have a ribbon cutting here soon. I'm shooting for January of 2026, and we may even be able to get moved in a little bit before then if everything works out right. So all my thanks. Really appreciate the hard work of the guys that are in here busting it to try to help us get in by the end of the year. Y'all have a great one.